Good morning. It's time to chat about the NHJ Style Academy Personal Styling Flagship course again. Over the past few weeks, I've been giving you insight into all the different areas we cover during the course to ensure you have all the skill sets you need to be an amazing personal stylist and also to completely transform yourself. Last week we talked about accessorizing, and now once we've covered color, accessorizing, body shapes, all the real foundations of a stylist toolkit, we look at outfit building. Now you'll be amazed at the number of stylists who've done various courses will come to me and say, we did a bit of this and we did a bit of that, but I still don't really understand how to put a complete outfit together. So I spend a lot of time with my students helping them understand how to outfit build. What are the elements you need in each outfit? How many colors can you have in an outfit? How many metallics, accessories, all the things that you can build? I mean, there are no hard and fast rules in styling. And I always say to my students, never limit yourself and never be confined by rules. Being a stylist is a creative job. So it's really important to trust your gut instinct and go with something that perhaps wouldn't be normally, acceptable, but it works in that outfit. So outfit building is a really core skill to master because that is what is going to ensure that your clients and even yourself always go out looking fabulous from head to toe and that the whole outfit works as a complete entity and is going to always give you and your clients that wow factor. So if this sounds really exciting and is getting your creative juices flowing, why don't you set your goals and dreams for 2020 to become a stylist or transform the way you look and sign up for our March personal styling course, which is on the 17th to the 20th of March. And do you know what? It'll be the best week of your life and a week that will not only change the way you look and feel about yourself, but one that you will remember forever. So I hope to see you there. And I'll be back next week with more insight into the types of things we cover on the course. It's a lot to get through. Hope to see you there.